This is the laboratory department. We have the assembly on one. This one we have 50 units to be done by one night and 24 hours. This is the large unit. And then this is the accessories for the brackets. This is our the fuel hose. This is for the large unit. Some spares right there. Okay. Covers. These are small units. There's about almost 50 pieces also to be done. There's scones, some plates here. We have workers here. Now I have to raise the water side. This is the fuel side. This one. Okay. Right. Other side. Okay. And the other one is doing the finishing. This one already done. And this is the fittings that we already fitted. Let's fit it this one. Okay. This is the small one. A large one. This stage. Okay. So we can make it for 24 hours. Curing time is 24 hours. There's a large one. It's about 52 pieces if I'm not mistaken. And the small one also, 24 hours curing. It's about 50 pieces as well.